Welcome to NewBQ.
Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I am going to make, same thing I make all the time, steaks basically. On the last video you've seen, or if you did watch the last video I put up, we did a little salt brine on some steaks, and I tried the salt brine again, except I did an overnight salt brine. So basically all it is, I just covered it with salt, put it in the refrigerator, left it overnight. I brought them out here. I'm going to throw them on the grill. We're going to cook them up, and we're going to see if there's a difference in flavor and taste and texture and all that. Basically, it's just a kind of a trial and error thing. My kids are out here. They're hanging out with me. What are you going to do, right? We are officially stuck at home for the next 2 weeks because my wife got the COVID. But it's okay. She's doing fine. She feels fine today. She felt real tired the last 2 days. Kind of had a real bad headache. Went to the doctor because she thought she had an ear infection. And turns out she has COVID. But she feels fine. Everything's fine. We're just going to sit out our time, and hopefully life gets back to normal soon. Hasn't been a real great year for us, broken hand, little coronavirus, the world is shut down, all that stuff. Anyway, I don't know what to do anymore. They're fighting over who gets to sit on my riding lawnmower. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna stick these steaks on the grill, and because I'm hungry and I want some steaks, so let's get to it. Alright, so I acted kind of quick. I actually took the other two off. I should have filmed it. I'm sorry, I didn't. I just took them off and I threw them in some foil because I realized they were right at the temperature I wanted them, so I didn't want them to sit any longer than I had to. Kayla's going to let sit for a little while longer. I did turn them because I'm getting really good grill marks. So I turned them to see if I can get grill marks going the other direction. But Kayla's going to sit on a little bit longer. I'm actually getting ready to flip it. Let's go ahead and flip hers. We're just going to flip hers completely over the other way. See, I'm getting some nice grill marks in there. So anyway, we're gonna let her sit just a little while longer, and then we'll cut one of these open. We'll see how we did. All right, sorry for the shadows. See if I can move it over, maybe that'll help. All right, let's see. I got flies out here. We got shadows going. All right, we're gonna cut into this sucker. Just gonna cut right down the middle. Woo, that was nice. I like that. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. I like that. I'm okay with that. That looks pretty good. That was the flat iron. I'm not gonna cut into the sirloin. You guys get the picture. That was just a salt brine. It looks pretty good. You can tell with the salt brine, you can tell there's a nice ring right around the edge, and I think that's from that salt brine. Yesterday it wasn't that prominent, but today it's a little more. So anyway, that looks good. I'm gonna go taste this sucker and see what she tastes like. We'll see you guys back here in a minute. All right, well, that is it for us again this week. It was good. The salt brine definitely makes a difference. If you want to try it, I use the pink Himalayan salt. I just spread some on the top and bottom, sides, all that, and then like I said, I put it in the refrigerator overnight. It was about 24 hours and fantastic, absolutely fantastic. But make sure once you do your salt brine, make sure you wash them off before you put them on the grill. That makes a big difference. Otherwise I think they taste a little salty. But anyway, we'll see you guys next week on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. and we'll see you then. Bye, guys.